So guys, I want to share this experiment as well in another video to how to repair these air conditioner and how to open it and how to open the outdoor unit of these air conditioners. I will tell you how to open and very easy way to solve any error or repairing process. So keep in touch with me. So guys, this is my outdoor unit and let me show you the screws of this outdoor unit. And I have to open this one, a couple of these screws, and this one, and a couple of on front like this one and this one. So let me start opening and pause this video to save your time, please. I have opened these screws and I will open it. Guys, you should open it. I have opened the screw and push it downward and it will get out like this. So another you have to open like this. This is top cover and this is the circuit of this outdoor unit. We have to open it. So first of all, you have to get a few pictures of this wire. This is AC wire direct coming from the indoor unit. If you do not get the pictures of this, it will be difficult to know how to get wiring. And so I will further open it, and a few screws like this one and this one and this one, we have to open it. So I'll see you again. So guys, I have opened a couple of screws from here, and I will open the front door of this outdoor unit. This is what the outdoor circuit is and how to open it, and I will advise you, it was not a very difficult task. Like this, there is a screw and there was a couple of screws, and you have to open these wires. And let me again say you that you have to get a picture of this one and a couple of these to remind you. There is no big issue to reassemble this kit, and this is how we unplug the wires. And there are a few grips or clips. You have to open it. There is no difficult task. You can see this one and this one and this one the final one is this one. I will forward this whole process. So guys, you can see how is it's opening. You have to push this downward and pull it out and it will be opened. Same like this, you can see there is a little trick to open it. You have to push downward, it will be open, and then pull it down, it will be opened. It is not very difficult task. So I have decided to show all my audience and other people to share my experience. Another screw is here, and you have to open this, and you can see this is how we have opened our outdoor circuit, and this is what all about it. And you can bring it to mechanic, same position, and this is your task, and other task is of mechanic to repair it. Believe me, it is not a very difficult job, and if you will start it and you will open it, and it will save your money and your time. If you wait for after sale service mechanic or person, it will waste your time, and I will show you how to reassemble it after you will repair it. So guys, this is the outdoor unit, and I will reassemble it with my air conditioner, and let me show you how do we do it. She's my little daughter. I will tell her to come here and bring it closer to show other people how to fix this one. You can see here this hole, the screw hole. You have to fix this one. Same on this way by this way, and another way. You can see this is the another screw hole to fix it. This is now placed on its original site, and you have to put a couple of screws back in these holes. I will forward this video to save your time, and like this. And another one is from here. You can see this one. So guys, I will show you how to connect these clips. You can see, just push it and click. You have here the sound, the click one. Other clips are just like this one. You can see you have to fix this wire, same like as you open it. and you can see this one like this. And how do we fix it again? Bring it down, please. So these are the clips, and you have to push upward. It's fixed. And another one is like this one. You have to bring back the wiring on its original path, or original the wavy. Now this clip is for sensor clip. We call it sensor clip, and you can see from down. You can see, bring it from down. I hope the light is poor one, but how we fix it, you can see. Same like another clip, this one. You have to put it like this one, no big issue. And other one is this one. And you have no worry, it will not change each other. Their clips are same, their clips are different. Female clips. It will not fix each other places. I will forward this video to save your time, but if someone want to see this by detail, so I have to make it in detail. Bring it here, please. Pause it. So guys, this is what we have to do with this outdoor unit, and after repairing it from the mechanic, you can again fix it like this. And these are the wires which I have told you that you have to